Okay, when you get to this point, try to... First I filled up this balloon with air that with my 15-gallon compressor. It took about 5 minutes to get it to this point. And then I went and tucked the liner underneath the ring and tried to center it the best I could between the boards. I think it would have been better if I would have gotten a 14 by 14 tarp instead of a 14 by 12 for this 12 by 12 pool, but I think it'll be okay. Next year we're going to get a larger pool anyways, and after this I'll fill it up with about an inch of water and then just kind of go in there and on my hands and knees kind of try to get all the wrinkles out. Right now this is a good point to start to fill it and then pull on the sides and everything. Try to get as many wrinkles out as you can as you go along while it's filling up and the balloon keeps rising. Okay. I did hook up the pool filter while the kids were smoothing the bottom of the pool out, and then I only run the well pump a half an hour at a time so I don't strain the well pump and cause issues. It is over 20 years old, so I don't want to push my luck. So half an hour at a time to fill the pool. That's about an hour's worth of filling right there. Alright, now we're up to this level with the pool, and you can go ahead and just set up the pump. I've got it here with the electrical. You can see I try to paint the line white so that I can see it if there's overgrown grass to remind me not to weed whack it or run over it with a mower. But now that everything is set up, you know, the filter is inside there, you've got the hoses set up per the instructions, it's time to purge the water out of there, out of the system, so that the pump can work. So you just can hear the air hissing out of there, and then the water is going to just flow out, and then you push it back down and close it up, and you know it's going now, right? So there you go. Now you can turn it on, and I have this little setup here for just making sure, there we go, that I keep it out of the rain and everything. And now as the pool is filling up, it'll be filtering. I have one disc of chlorine in there just to kill all the bugs and things that get in while it's filling up. I hope you guys found this useful and you could set up your pool for the summer. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.